Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today I'm going to show you the live trading session of our day 5 campaign of 60 days challenge, nothing but 60 days live trading campaign. And this video is of 12th February. So all those who are doing the campaign along with me, kindly take note of this. It's 12th February and don't get confused whether which day video is this, okay? So the code for today is, remember, your goal is to trade well and not to trade often. So what happens is, many novice traders, many beginners who start trading, they keep trading L number of times. They keep for example, when they start morning, they'll do trade in a particular stock. If at all they get profit, they'll get more greedy and they'll think that yes, I made profit in such a small time, and they'll start looking into one more strategy and they'll start placing trade in one more strategy, and they will lose the capital. And once they lose capital, again they will start doing revenge trade, that is to recover the losses. They again trade one more trade. So by this, what happens is, most of the time many people end up doing lots and lots of trades, and generally they end up in making very big losses and lot of frustration and revenge and all those things. So people see, to get out of this, get rid of this is very difficult. Even I took a lot of time to get rid of this habit, where you just have to place one single trade, one single strategy, that's all. Don't keep trading lot, don't often keep trading, just one trade. If at all an intraday trader, one day one trade is enough. You would have seen my videos. Most of the time I just stick to one single method or single strategy. I make profit or loss for the day and I close my trading terminal, nothing else to be done. Okay, so that is what even Alexander Elder has told, my favorite author. As I told you, he has done lots and lots of books. You can go through his books. It's very useful in terms of trading psychology, because psychology also, is very important. It's not just strategy which is important. Okay, friends. So continuing with our trend analysis strategy, so I'll just show you the live trading video, and the stock selected is, as you can see, is Axis Bank, because it was a very good trending stock. The market also was trending. We found out that Nifty was trending, and as per our analysis and also our shortlisted stock was Axis Bank. It had very good movement. You can just observe the 15 minutes candle. It's just rising. So I have also I've been teaching you how to find out the trend. So what you have to do just is find out the trend, whether it's going top or going down, or other whether it is moving sideways. That's all is your duty. Finding stock is very easy. Anybody can take any method to find out the stock, but identifying the trend is most important, friends. Identify whether it is going top or whether it is going down or whether it is moving sideways. That's it, nothing else to be done. And friends, please, I would suggest always use 15 minutes candle, because 15 minutes candle will give you decently returns of 0.6% which you're targeting. If you keep 5 minutes candles, what happens is that it'll keep fluctuating a lot. Volatility will be very high. And if you're keeping 1 hour candles, then reaching 0.6 is very difficult, because the movement can be in any direction. So 15 minutes candle is idle, but there's no enforcing. You can use any candles, any bars. Yeah. So the stock selected today is Axis Bank. Let me just take you through the video and make you so all those who are trading also can follow the levels and just cross check whether you're doing correctly or not. Okay, so the trigger price for today for buy was 715. Let me calculate the target of 0.06%. It comes to 4.2. In the same way, I have to calculate the stop loss of 0.04%, sorry, 0.4%. It's coming to 2.8. Okay, now coming to the quantity, it's nothing but loss divided by stop loss. How much loss are you targeting per day? I am targeting only 1000 rupees. So this 1000 divided by the quantity, stop loss, you will get the quantity 357. In the same way, as you all know, I have to keep the trap of buy order as well as sell order. So my sell order is at 710. Okay, friends, levels are not important. The most important part is the trend, whether it is going top or it is going down or whether it is going sideways. This is the major task, nothing else. Okay, so once again I have to just calculate the target. It's 4.2. I had a confusion, that is why. Okay, so 4.2 is fine. So you can see that both the orders are trigger pending, best suited for working people. No open orders and no close orders, just two trigger pending orders. So it's best suited for working professionals. If one order gets triggered, you can just cancel the other one manually. Okay, so I'll be showing you that also in today's video. So just in case if you're a working person, you can see at that time 799.90, that is sell order has been triggered. I'll just show you the order history. Yes, you can see that one order is completed. So I have to cancel the other one manually. Let me just cancel the order. Yes. So now I'll just show you the update. Yes, you can see that we had placed two orders, one sell order as well as one buy order. The sell order is executed. You can see it as complete, whereas once it's complete, on the left hand top corner you can see a red dot. That is nothing but notification. You will get a notification, so immediately just log into your trading terminal and then you can close the other order manually. Nothing else to be done. Your work is done for the day. Okay, so you can see out of the two orders placed, one is completed, another is cancelled manually. Okay, so after that, just after the market closing at 3:15, you can look into your screen. There's no open orders. All the orders has been closed. Okay, so let us look into our portfolio. Yes, you can see the profit made is 1449. Sorry, 1499.40. And also you can see the buy averaging price and the sell averaging price. First we sold it at 710 and we bought it back at 705.80. Quantity is 357, and you can see once again, as I have been telling you, one single trade is enough for the day. Our profit is met very comfortably, very easily. Yeah, so let us immediately put into this our Excel sheet which we are maintaining. It gives you lots of confidence, friends. Just try it out and then please give me feedback. You will know the difference. It's very good, very beneficial. Yeah, so the profit is already 7,609, and we have been doing live trading from past 5 days, and almost all the 5 days are in profit. Friends, 5 days continuous profit, it's not a guarantee that I can always assure you. The market is trending. Trust me, after the elections, market is trending. That is why we are able to make profits. So you would have observed that yes, I'm able to make profits. So why don't I increase my capital? Please don't do that mistake. Please stick to full 60 days so that you will get a better idea of how the market is, how the trend analysis. So all those of you who have learned this trend analysis from me, I'm giving you one more caution. Just because you're getting profit continuously, please don't do the mistake of increasing your capital. I have seen many such examples where people start telling that, sir, yes, continuously the strategy is making money, now I'll increase my capital. They'll increase their capital, and suddenly if there is one loss, two losses, they get panicked and they stop the strategy and they completely come out. I'm sure it would have happened to you also. So please don't do that mistake. Observe it completely for 60 days. 60 days is more than sufficient. You will go through big cycles. Loss can happen at any time. Controlling during the losses is the most critical part. So as of now we are in profit. It doesn't mean that always you'll be in profit. And also, friends, this profit has come because of the vast trading experiences, lots of mistakes which has been done, lots of learnings which has been done. You trust me, I have read so much of books, practiced so much of strategies. Only after that I am able to trade in this kind of consistent manner with an accuracy of more than 90%. Okay, so it will not come easily. Experience is required, and also lots of knowledge about the trend. How do we analyze the trend? Okay, so in case if you want to learn the trend analysis, you can just get in touch with me. You all know my number. It's 8095876525. And friends, last but not the least, the platform which I use today for trading is Upstock. It's a very good trading platform, especially for working people and also for people those who don't know much. It's very simple, it's very easy. It's promoted by Ratan Tata, and in case if you're joining this month Upstock, you can use the promo code FEB300 and you'll be getting 300 rupees brokerage returns. Okay, and friends, what are the benefits you'll be getting is that you'll be getting 50% discount on my additional services. If you want to know more about the additional services provided by me, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay friends, so that's it for today. So let's continue the journey, and I'll be uploading regularly all the videos, and all those who have not subscribed my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you and have a nice day.